it's 7:30 then.
I think so.
Hey?
I think.
You what?
I think so. You see, years of this you're taking fucking photos.
Exactly. Years of...
I used to like you. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm a bit drunk.
Right, Pugsy.
Bro, I just spent 25 minutes. I spent an hour walking around the fucking seafront of Benidorm trying to work out where I was. I was so drunk. Bro, how many times have I been there? Yeah,
God,
I still couldn't work out where I was.
I know. Right. It's only 7:20.
Yeah, so I've heard.
Right, Pugsy. Go to sleep.
8, 9.
Go to sleep, Pugs.
What time should I say?
8 o'clock. I'll wake you up at 8 o'clock.
Alright. Oh, it's
8:15.
Time. That's not a time. Time. 3, 4, 5, 6. 9, 10. I hate you. I love you, but I hate you.
Alright, Pugs.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the 5, 6, 7.
Alright, Pugs.
I was trying to say my name. 7. 7. I don't need to press buttons. You know. Right, 7 o'clock.
It's not 7:20 now.
Oh, I just pressed refer. That was a mistake. What?
It's 7:20.
Fucking. I hate my life. Everything's going wrong. What am I just press?